Good morning, all of you. I Dr. Badri Mohapatra, Assistant Professor, Instrumentation Engineering Department. Today we will be discussing control system. So in control system, there are different parameters are there, but today we will be discussing transfer function of electrical system. So in this case, we will be introduction of a passive electrical system. Then we have to discuss on basic laws of electrical system. Then we have to find some finding the transfer function of electrical system. So when we are discussing about introduction of electrical system, here we can look at here that passive electrical circuits are constructed. It will be depending on the three basic elements like resistance or capacitor and inductor. So resistance, you can say it will be measured in ohms. Capacitor, it will be measured in terms of farads, and inductor, it will be termed as L and measured in terms of NL. So all these three parameters which will be associated with current, then voltage. So this is the basic diagram which will be shown here, that how it will be represented through the electrical circuit. This is the resistor, it will be connected between two wires. Here this is the capacitor and here this is the inductor. But when there will be current flow in the circuit, then it will be related with the charge Q of T. So there is some relationship between current and this charge. So I equal to dq by dt. So the laws of electrical system, so there is two different laws are there, like law 1 and law 2. The first law states that the algebraic sum of all the currents entering any junction is 0. And law 2 states that the algebraic sum of the voltage drops around any closed loop path in a circuit is 0. So using these two law in the circuit equation, we will be find the Laplace transformation as well as that transfer function of that electrical system. So to find such type of transfer function in an electrical system, we are having one example here. Like here in the right hand side, one circuit is there. Like there is some voltage source will be there. Then there will be some switch will be there. Then there will be resistor, inductor, and capacitor which will be there. So as per applying the Kirchhoff's law, second law, that is to this circuit, then we will be find one equation like R into I, that is resistance into I. So V equal to IR, as we know. So this is the voltage. Then inductor. So in inductor, you can say L di by dt, plus in the capacitor, that is 1 by C integration of I dt, that is charging of capacitor, that is from integration of current value. So is equal to E of t. So if you are using I equal to dq by dt in this formula, then this is the expression which you will be find, and substituting the values given by RLC, then the overall equation becomes a second order equation. So taking the Laplace transform of this equation, then we will be find uh, this s square plus 160s plus 10 square q of s is equal to this one. So particularly from this we can find the output by input. So at the end we will be find q of s is equal to 20 divided by s into s square plus 160s plus 10q. So this is the way where we can find transfer function of an electrical system. Thank you.